Hello driving intelligence community. Some time ago I posted a video where I changed the oil in a 2018 F-150 with the Coyote 5.0 engine. Now I couldn't have been more shocked with the design that the engineers placed in the oil pan, where the drain plug, which is about as big as my thumb, comes out the back of the drain pan, not toward the bottom, across the sway bar and toward the transmission. When you take this out, which is a quarter turn, you pull it out, it's a gigantic flood of oil that's going to go everywhere. It's going to splash across that sway bar. It's just going to make a mess. Well, sometime after that video, I found out there are solutions. One of those solutions is from a company called RONIN, where you replace the drain plug and there's an insert you keep with you that you use to meter out the oil at a slow rate. And this is a really nice design, except you have to keep track of that little insert. So you got to keep it in your glove box or keep it in your console, whatever, something that can get lost. Well, one of my sponsors, ISSYAUTO, has an alternative design. It's similar to the RONIN. It's a replacement for the plug, but it has a ball valve integrated in there. You don't have anything to lose. You shift the ball valve. You can actually meter out the oil similar to the RONIN at a speed that you desire. Now, neither one of these is going to prevent making a total mess, because no matter what you do, the oil is going to go across that sway bar. But it does reduce the flow of the oil where you can really manage it, and it's a much easier cleanup. As you can see, the old drain plug is difficult to remove with a huge sway bar in the way. Once the plug is turned 90 degrees, if you're careful, you can hold the plug in place and slowly allow the oil to drain, but you'll be waiting for 9 quarts to drain from a Ford Coyote 5-liter engine. So here's the stock Ford plug. You can see it's as big as my thumb. But you have to take it out, and that opening just creates a massive flood of oil coming out of the engine. The ISSYAUTO unit screws in. You take the cap off to allow the oil to drain, and you have a ball valve that allows the oil to drain out at the speed that you desire. So the drain valve comes with a spring clip. You put this on so that it causes compression on this to keep it in place when you're driving down the road. And another nice feature is that the end is magnetic, which allows it to pick up metal fragments from your oil due to normal wear of the engine. You just wipe it off between oil changes. Installation of the ISSYAUTO drain valve is no different than reinstalling the original drain plug. You'll pick an orientation of the drain valve that best suits you. When it's time to drain the oil, simply remove the cap and crack the ball valve. As I mentioned in the intro, you'll still deal with oil dripping over the sway bar, but it's a much more manageable cleanup when compared to the stock plug. The ISSYAUTO drain plug is compatible with Ford engines that have a plastic oil pan and a large yellow drain plug, not traditional threaded drain plugs. You'll find links to this product in the description of this video, and while you're there, please hit that like button and let me know what you think of this product in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching Driving Intelligence.